Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install VN Video Editor on Windows PC. So first step, what you need to do is to head to your browser and just type in vlognow.me right over on the URL section, and you should be able to see this website right here. Now, you'll have the option to download VN Editor via the device that you're using. So for this example, since our demo focuses on Windows, we're going to be selecting Windows. So we're just going to click on this option, and then it should show us the step-by-step process on how to do this. As you can see, you're going to need to download and install BlueStacks. So you have the BlueStacks app available right here. So just download the zip file or click on this link and then click on download. So BlueStacks will serve as our emulator where we can open the Google Play Store and then download the VN Video Editor. So after you've installed BlueStacks, you can install VN Video Editor. As you can see from here, just look for it in the Google Play Store on BlueStacks, follow the prompts, and then install VN Video Editor. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.